Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for all 3D printing enthusiasts, the ANYCUBIC PLA Plus Filament Bundle. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the ANYCUBIC PLA Plus Filament Bundle? This bundle contains 4 spools of 1.75mm PLA Plus filament, totaling 1 kilogram or about 2.2 pounds. You get an array of colors: black, white, blue, and red. This versatile filament is designed to be compatible with most FDM 3D printers available today, making it a great option for anyone looking to enhance their 3D printing experience. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this filament. First and foremost, the high toughness of the ANYCUBIC PLA Plus is impressive. It has been engineered to withstand impact better than standard PLA, which means your prints are less likely to break or crack when subjected to external forces. This makes it perfect for a variety of applications, whether you're creating intricate models, engineering parts, or even artistic pieces. Another key feature is its high dimensional accuracy. The filament maintains a tidy winding and has a controlled wire diameter tolerance of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters. This precision is crucial in 3D printing, as it helps to prevent issues like warping and cracking, ensuring that your prints come out just as you envision them. The low shrinkage rate also contributes to a more reliable printing process. One of the common headaches in 3D printing is filament clogging and bubbles, but with the ANYCUBIC PLA Plus, you can put those worries aside. This filament is designed to extrude smoothly without any clogging or bubbles, resulting in a refined finish for your models. If you've ever struggled with inconsistent filament flow, you'll appreciate this feature. Additionally, the ANYCUBIC PLA Plus filament comes with a tangle-free design. It unwinds easily from the spool without crossing turns, which can often lead to frustrating tangles. This means less hassle during your printing sessions and a more fluid experience overall. Plus, the spools are designed to lock the filament after use, helping to keep it safe from dust and moisture. So, who is this filament suitable for? If you're a hobbyist, a professional designer, or even an educator looking to introduce students to the world of 3D printing, the ANYCUBIC PLA Plus Filament Bundle is an excellent choice. Its high compatibility with various FDM printers means that most users can integrate it into their existing setups without any issues. Practical use cases for this filament are nearly endless. You can create everything from prototypes and functional parts to detailed miniatures and artistic sculptures. It's also great for crafting custom parts for hobbies like robotics or model building. If you're into cosplay, you can make high-quality costume pieces that are both durable and visually appealing. In conclusion, the ANYCUBIC PLA Plus 3D Printer Filament Bundle stands out for its combination of toughness, dimensional accuracy, and ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your 3D printing journey, this filament can help you achieve excellent results. Thanks for watching.